y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys the ways that I keep my scalp moisturized and dandruff free using the Sulfur 8 Scalp Therapy line. This product line is the bomb, you guys. They provided different types of products for the type of living style that you have to help you moisturize your scalp and get rid of any dandruff concerns that you may have. So if you are interested, then definitely keep on watching. So I am starting off with a dirty scalp, but on top of being dirty, it is dandruff filled, and I mostly deal with it in the back of my head. So I'm gonna go in with my Scalp Oil Serum, and I really like this because it's a pre-poo. So I'm adding this in before going into the shower to wash my hair. This treatment is for tight, dry scalp, and it helps maintain the natural oil balance of your scalp. And I love the fact that it includes an applicator dropper because I just go in, grab a little bit of that product, and apply it to my scalp. The instructions state to place it in the areas of your scalp where you feel that you need it most. But I went ahead and just put it all over my head because why not? You know, if I'm going to deal with dandruff from one area, I could deal with it on my entire scalp. So I'm going in and I'm just applying that freely. And then I'm going to go in and give myself a quick little scalp massage just to make sure that that product is activating and concentrating into my scalp before I go ahead and hop in the shower. So you can leave this in your scalp for about 15 to 20 minutes, but I actually went ahead and did things a little bit different this time, and I left it in overnight. So I just put on a satin cap, went to sleep, and then the next day I continued with my wash day. So to wash my hair, I'll be using the Scalp Therapy Medicated Shampoo, and this helps control the itching with Pyrithione zinc, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. The product is also free of silicones and parabens. So I go ahead and apply some water to my hair just to rinse it out and get ready to apply that shampoo. And then I take a good amount of the shampoo. Because it wasn't my first time using the shampoo, I already knew how much I needed. So I just grabbed a good amount. And just so you guys can see the consistency, it's kind of like gooey and it doesn't really lather as much. I actually really like that because it showed me that the product was a product made to kind of defeat that dandruff and get rid of all that itchiness in my scalp. So as you can see, I'm just taking the shampoo and placing it all over my scalp. If you're a person that has more dense hair, I would definitely suggest putting your hair into sections and shampooing in sections just to make sure that you're actually getting into those areas that are irritating you the most. This next product is actually my favorite product from the line, and it is their leave-in soothing treatment. This product is free from sulfates, artificial dyes, parabens, and silicones, and I love it because it reduces the excess oil that you have in your scalp with this cooling sensation. Now, I would suggest to be very frugal with the amount of this product that you put in your scalp because the cooling sensation can be overwhelming if you add too much. So I would just apply just a little bit. Don't apply as much as I was applying. I enjoyed the cooling sensation, but for some people it might just be a little bit too much. But it feels like it's activating while it's in your scalp. Like it's really fighting off all of that dandruff. And I really like that. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself another scalp massage, just making sure that that product is getting all up in there. And then I go ahead and style my hair as I usually would. You also have the option of applying this product after styling your hair, as you see me doing here. This was actually on a different day, but I wanted to share it with you guys so you can see that even with product in my hair, I can apply this leave-in. Then I go in with my Scalp Therapy Scalp Spray. And this one I mostly use when my hair is dry. Now this also helps with relieving that itchiness and that dryness in your scalp, and it has a long-lasting freshness, and you can also detangle using this product. The instructions suggest using it 1 to 4 times as needed, so I just go ahead and apply it into those areas that irritate me the most and keep it moving. The last product in this line is their Scalp Butter Cream, and I would use this more for my protective styles. This product is also sulfate free. It is refreshing and moisturizing, and it helps remove any flakes on your scalp without stripping your hair of its natural oils. I'm so glad that we have companies like Sulfur 8 available to us to help us deal with these scalp issues that most of us deal with. If you are interested in purchasing their products, I would definitely suggest to go down below into the description box and check out each and every product. I love the fact that they have different products for your lifestyle. So if you're a person that prefers an oil over a cream or a spray over an oil, then you have all of those options available to you. Please be sure to check the description box for that link. Or you can visit your local beauty store to purchase these products, or you can go to houseofbeautyworld.com and get your products there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Please be sure to go down below, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.